Hey everybody, it's me, your boy RJ, and Collin's the cameraman today on this truck. Today we're going to put a new windshield wiper knob. We got the all metal one, not the stop sign or maybe 6-point, not an octagon. I don't think it's an 8. It's
I think it's like a 7.
Whatever. It's a pointed, squared off, but that one's plastic, and that's the original. And you can't find it. You go to a junkyard, you're not going to find them. Almost always is misses. What you're going to need is just a Allen wrench. A small one. That's going to be a, let's try a 2.5. Let's see what we got here.
That might be perfect. Oh.
2.5. Okay, so you're just going to put this thing on. And as you look, this is rounded on 3 sides. Well, most of it, and then flat. So the side that's flat, you're going to want to leave this on. Okay? And then you get in there. That's going to be difficult to do.
Here, hang on. I'm going to go to the other side.
It's difficult to do because of the angle. So you're going to have to just have it out a little. You're not going to be able to. You can't go all the way in there with it because of the Allen wrench. It'll get in your way. It'd be nice to shove the knob in there a little more, which you could do if you like went behind it maybe and push the system out. But yeah, just currently we've been having to. Let's tighten this guy a little more before we can get it on there. Make it a little tight now. Yep. So now we're slightly
too tight.
Alrighty, so barely back it down. There we go. And then put your Allen wrench in there and just. I'm trying to get as much of an angle as I can to help us get the knob in far. Because we don't really need it in that far. We need it where we can grab it good. So let's pull it out a little. Okay, right there. There we go. So yeah, if you shove it in too more, it's going to stick further, and then this one can kind of be hard to grab. So don't. Find the spot. You can just go to your Allen wrench and then just tighten the poop out of it so that it digs into the metal, and then you're stuck. Fight your Allen wrench back out. These little type size Allen wrenches, sometimes you're gonna torque them. See, I torqued it a little. Be careful. You got the keys, dude?
Oh, I do, yeah. Here.
All right. You
trade me?
You want to be in the video?
I'll be in the video.
Okay, get in the video. All right, turn on your wipers. Let's see it. Yeah. So pretty. Let's see.
I don't even need to turn it on.
You can turn all the way on. Go for it. We got an electric pump, so it starts up pretty easy.
Yeah.
And there we go. And go one more. Okay, and then
I got 2 settings.
Is this how you spray?
No.
Let me get out of the way. How do you spray the fluid? What?
You turn your wiper knob to the left. Here.
Okay. Turn to the left. Push it in? Okay. Just push it in? Okay.
You just press that in right there.
Yeah.
Like a normal car.
Yep, push it in.
Just spray.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't realize.
I just got sprayed a little.
Yeah, it's alright.
Alright, we'll get a new windshield tomorrow. They're coming by. Hopefully. Safe Flight was supposed to come a week ago and they never showed up.
They abandoned us because it was cold.
Yeah, and said, oh, we don't do 83s, we only do 85s. Well, 85s and 83s got the same exact windshield. So
we only got 2 settings. So low.
Yep. Yeah, it's no problem with the old trucks. You don't got faster, so when it's raining, you just got to pull over sometimes.
On the highway, just
yep.
Hope for the best.
Alright, pull them lights out. Let's look at them beauties. Let's look at them beauties. Woo, that is pretty. Look. Look at daylight, look. Boop. Uh-oh. Your light just burned out. Turn the lights on and off. What just happened? Do the high beam. Okay, turn them off. Your light went out. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. We're going to have to go look at it. So do it. Pop your hood. Are the high beams off? Put them on. Okay, so this bulb burned out on your high beam already. Here, hit the bulb. Hit the switch. Hit the high beam. Okay, hold on. We're going to check this out. Well, guys, that's a whole nother thing we got to go look at. But I hope you liked the video. Look at this. Look at this sweetie baby. Sweetie baby. Sweetie baby, yeah, he loves it. So, yeah, if you liked the video, please like, subscribe. It helps during these times. As always, I'm RJ.
Tuesday, every day. Bye-bye.